Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is brought to you by TruePixel, audiovisual and lighting production. Talking about TruePixel, they give me the opportunity to build a very special computer for them. So this computer will be used for a broadcast TV show related to the election 2020. They also gonna be using this computer to run Arena, vMix, and another software related to this industry. Well, let's take a look at the list of components. AMD Ryzen3950 MSI MPG X570, All-O-Y 64GB, 2 Samsung hard drive M.2, NVIDIA GeForce 2070, liquid cooler system Kraken Z73, a power supply Z850 ATX, and last but not least, mid-tower ATX case H710. Alright, we're gonna start assembling this computer. Like always, we're gonna start with the motherboard. Beautiful motherboard. Our next component will be the CPU. Remember, we had to open this click here, and then we're gonna put the CPU there. Right there. The next component will be the memory RAM. Remember that the memory goes here. You had to open the clicks first, and then you had to push it down a little bit until you hear the clicks. Next component will be the hard drive, and for that we had to open this piece here that is gonna reveal the slot for the hard drive. So in this case, for this specific motherboard, so the first slot will be this one. Is where we gonna place a 1 terabyte hard drive. Just like that. And in the second port, we're gonna place the 2 terabyte hard drive. Just like that. Now we're gonna start working on the case, and for now we're gonna leave the motherboard like this. Look at this monster here. It's a huge case. It's a large version of the cases that this company offer on the market. Let's see what we have inside here. All right, the first thing that we're gonna do here is we're gonna add the power supply. It's gonna be this one, Z850, same brand of the case. Look at this presentation here. This one is the power supply. Okay, the next component that we're gonna add here, it will be the liquid cooler. In order to do that, we had to remove the front panel of the case. It has a little clips here. You had to press and pushing out the way. Let's put on the side the case for a moment. Let's start working on the liquid cooler system. It's gonna be this one, Kraken Z73. Okay, 3 fans. This is the radiator. The cooler control here. Alright, it's always a good practice if you just take a look of the instruction manual here. What they suggest is you get two different ways that you can mount this fans. That is a direct mounting and indirect mounting system. We're gonna go over this option, it's direct mounting. Alright, going back to the motherboard, we're gonna grab the motherboard and we're gonna place it in the position that it's gonna be inside the case. So carefully, let's put this here. Alright, this liquid cooler system came with three different brackets, one already mounted here and two more. This one will be for Intel processor and this one will be for AMD processor. So what we had to do here is we had to remove this bracket that came with the motherboard. After that, we're gonna be placing the bracket for AMD processor. Alright, next step, we're gonna add a little bit of thermal compound over the CPU. Alright, connecting the liquid cooler system, it's pretty simple. This liquid cooler system came with a breakout cable, also with a USB cable just to get control over the unit. Remember that you always refer to the manual of the motherboard just to identify each port on the motherboard. Remember, you don't have to be scary about the connections here because all that information is in the manual of the, as you can see here, J Audio 1. It's right here on the motherboard. All the information that you need to know is in the manual. Alright everybody, the last component that we're gonna add to the computer will be the graphic card. Look at this monster here. Wow, amazing graphic card, RTX 27. All right, I'm gonna place it in the first slot. Place it there. I'm pushing down a little bit. All the fans are working. So all right, let's connect to the monitor and start configuring the operating system. That it's going to be a Windows 10 Pro. All right, everyone, I'm doing the delivery now, and this is one of the places where the computer will be working daily. As you can see, this is the final product that we have here. Beautiful computer. It's been like 3 or 4 weeks since I built this computer for True Pixel Company. It's been working really good, but they called me because they wanna do upgrade. The upgrade will be this Decklink 8K Pro SDI video card, and the other upgrade will be this part here that is gonna permit us to use the USB-C port on top of the case. So I'll put the link on the description. Like I said, the 2 big upgrades that I'm gonna be doing today, it will be the Decklink 8K Pro and this USB-C adapter for this computer that it has been working really good for this company. So now the USB-C on top of the case, it's working good. So now let's go to the Blackmagic Design webpage and let's download the drivers for the Decklink 8K Pro.